ones.
It does.
Yeah.
All right. So, hello everybody. Hello. We are doing a special, slightly early live video. Can you see yourself on the camera?
Yes.
Yes. And I am here today with my daughter, Ina. And we are going to be making this gingerbread star. We're at least going to get it started live today.
I'm a girl.
You are a girl. Let's see, things I need to remind you. It's the last month for our year of self-care, but we are going to be doing a really fun blanket along with the Pearly Shell Pirates next year, and you can choose whether you want to knit, crochet, weave, embroider, or tat your temperature blanket table runner thing. So, I have a piece of tape. Can you hold the tape for Mommy?
Yeah.
Got it? You hold that tape. It's sticky. All right, so I have already opened marshmallow. Oh, it's chaos right now. Easy. Thank you. Chaos right now. So I've already opened the kit from Kiriki Press for what we are making today. Yeah, if you keep doing that, then it's not going to stick to the ornament and hold your tail down. Hang on. Can't even get my darn... Why can't I get my tapestry needle open? There we go. All right, so your kit comes with everything that you need to make your ornament. So there is, of course, the colored cover. It comes all packed in this little little kit. And you have a pre-cut, pre-drilled star. You have the adhesive backing. That's new. So there's adhesive backing. And then it also comes with, oh, and the cat's back. And it comes with all of the floss that you need. The only things that you need to add to this are your tape and your scissors. So anyway, yes,
You got your scissors.
I do. This is your tapestry needle. We're going to start with this. So it comes with instructions, and our instructions do say to get started with the dark yellow, and we are going to use this 6-stranded, just the way it's been cut, and hopefully without the cat.
This
was not what I had planned.
It's the opposite of it.
It's the opposite?
Yeah.
Okay. No, help! Marshmallow. That silly marshmallow. All right. And our guide does say, and we can kind of see it on here, that we are going to stitch our dark yellow along the outside lines first. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to stick this in. And this is the top, so it does have a slightly different hole right there for the top. Okay, hey, can I have your tape? Can you tape that down? Yeah. Press it down. Good job. All right. So now, should we move the camera so that they can watch us stitch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we move it a little bit down?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you're gonna get mostly Ina right now. All right. Take your tapestry needle. Okay. You're gonna go in this hole. Yep. Push. Good job. Grab that. And pull it through. Yeah, good job. Uh-oh, got it stuck on the point. Okay, pull. Nice job. All right. Now we're going to go up through this hole. Part of the reason, yep, and I'm going to pull it. Ready? And now you pull it back through. Part of the reason I wanted to show you guys this with Ina was these kits really are just this easy. They are just this easy for her to do. They are just this easy for me to do. Here, let's go back up through this one. Yeah. And this is the first time that she's ever done any stitching. Here you go. Because usually I work with sharp pointy needles. Now go down through that hole.
This one?
Yeah, through that hole right there. That one right there. That one. Good. And now grab your needle. But these Kiriki Press kits are they're just this easy. They're just this easy. Can you go up through the point? And they're fast, so hopefully it will hold her attention for as long as this takes. Poke it through there. And when we're all done, I'm sorry, you can do it. When we're all done, good. Oop, that's all okay. I'll help you out. Okay, grab the other side. Okay, pull. When we're all done, we'll have an ornament too.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, can you stick it through there?
Here.
Yeah. All right, grab that. Plus, this is just kind of fun. It's fun to do. It doesn't take a lot of skill. It already has the pre-drilled holes. Okay, push through that side. Yeah, and then grab it with this hand. And pull. Good, and now stick it down through that hole. This one. Good job. Okay, grab your needle. Pull. Plus, it's really satisfying because it goes really fast. All right, so up through this hole here, that hole right there, the little one. Sorry, I'm not helping you. Good job. Nice. All right, back down through this hole.
Where?
This one.
This one?
This one. Not that one here. Almost. One back from that. That one.
Where?
That one.
So,
Right there.
oh.
Yeah. Grab it.
I put this always in the wrong order.
Always in the wrong order. Oh, I think you're doing great. Okay, go up that way.
This way.
This one. Gotta go through this one. Grab it. Good job. Yeah, pull. Pull. Oh, uh-oh. We unthreaded it. Yeah, I'll put it back on for you. Yeah, uh-oh. All right. You're doing really well, though. Look how much you have done already. Can you go through that hole? Yeah, go back through that. You can, too. You've been stitching with Mommy. There you go.
Where?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do, 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 do,
Uh-oh. I unthreaded it again. Anyway,
do,
so it'd probably help if I had taped that down as well. But I really like these Kiriki Press ornaments. I think they're a lot of fun. This one has kind of a strong smell. What's that smell like? Kind of like wood. No? The older ones didn't smell quite like this. But they also didn't have the adhesive backing. That's new too. Where'd you go?
The backing.
Oh, we aren't ready for that. Are you going to come stitch this with me?
Put this on.
I'm going to get it all done without you if you don't hurry.
How you do it?
Oop, there's the tape. Yeah, this is our tape, see? We'll just go up through that one. There. There's the outline. We're partially done now. What do you think? Does that look nice?
Put all that.
Yeah, we don't have a whole lot left. Hang on. Let's see. What do we have to do? All right. Go through the center. I think. Yes. Go through the center. Right there. And we're going to bring it up. Now go through that one.
I can't make this big.
Here. Good job. All right. Now I'm going to tuck this under and we're going to get a new one out. Because it's time for a new strand.
Okay.
Okay.
We already made this one.
We did. We are making that one right now.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I dropped the needle. This is one thing you are good for. Can you get the needle? Ha! Is that funny? So funny. All right, let's finish up. We need one more strand here. Is this fun? Do you like stitching with me? Hey, you stole my project! Bring it back! Bring it back!
I just have to put...
No, we don't have to put the back on yet. First, we have to finish stitching it. I promise. Come around here and then we'll put it on.
No.
Yes. Come here. So she really wants to put this on, and we will. Just as soon as we're finished.
No.
Look, we aren't done yet. All the holes aren't filled up. It goes on the back. It goes on the back, doesn't go on the front. That's the front.
Try to cover these holes up.
No, we don't cover these holes up. This is our pretty stitching.
This way.
Yeah, it goes that way. But not yet.
You can't see the dots.
Well, you're supposed to see a little bit of it. Remember, we made a couple of these. I made a couple, and we hung them on the tree.
No.
Yes. Uh-oh.
No,
Now
no.
I'm having an argument with the 3-year-old.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Hey, I gotta trim this.
No.
Yes.
No.
I do.
No.
Ah, don't. Sharp, pointy object. Nah. You weren't allowed to have those. Thank you. You ready to stitch more? You don't want to stitch more? You're sure?
A new project.
A new project? But we aren't done with the old one. Okay, that does sound like your mother. Doo-doo. Dot. Thank you. You're quite loud.
What did you say thank you?
I don't know, because you were very loud. Hey, come back! Oh, well. I guess she does know better than the pattern. It's fine. It's not a big deal. Uh-oh. Now she's going to go want to watch something on TV. I know. I thought you were helping me make this. No? That's it? You need something to watch? You do? I'm going to tie this together. Uh-oh. Well, the joys of parenthood. It's always fun around here. Well, if you want something to watch, you should come help me finish this so that we can post it. And show people how pretty the star is. No? Well, I think it's really pretty. Okay, I just tied that on the back. I probably shouldn't have. But since this comes with that nice little adhesive, that's what I'm going to do. No? Well, I'm going to stitch this without you then. And I'm going to give it to Daddy for Christmas.
No!
Do you want to give it to Daddy for Christmas?
Yes!
Maybe you should finish helping me stitch it.
I don't want to.
You don't want to? Why not? It's so much fun. Uh-oh.
I want something to watch.
I know.
I want something to watch.
I heard you the first time.
I want something to watch.
Okay, I did just screw up my thread a little bit. There, I think I fixed it.
I want something to watch.
Well, watch yourself. Look, there you are.
No.
No?
No.
That's not you?
No.
Are you sure?
I can't see it.
Well, that's because you're not on camera anymore. Come around here. You can be on camera. Look.
I see it. I see the star on here.
I know. Well, come over here and you can look.
No.
No? You don't want to see this? Come here. Oh, well. Anyway, we're going to finish this up a little bit later. Because apparently I have to go turn on the TV for my child.
I want something to watch.
Because...
I want something to watch.
I know. That's enough.
I need something to watch.
I heard you the first time. If you'd like to go sit in time out, you can. Or you can go be patient and I'll be there in just a minute. Go sit on your chair. Go sit on your chair and wait.
I'm so mad.
Well, so am I. Go sit on your chair and wait. Chair. Now. Chair. Anyway, all kinds of fun here today. But this really is easy enough that you can do it with your 3-year-old when she isn't being so cranky. Hear that, cranky?
No.
Yeah, you're cranky. Ooh, she's mad at me now. She also won't wear the adorable Dutch knit sweater that I made her. But that's beside the point. yeah, so I do have a lot of these in stock if you're looking for a last minute Christmas gift. They're super fun. They're really easy to make. Like I said, everything's included in the kit. Go sit on that chair. Sit on the chair. You can sit on the beanbag. Sit. Thank you. Now she's really mad at me because I just made her go sit on the chair. So apparently this was not my brightest idea, trying to do a live with my daughter. Won't be doing that again for very far in the future. Anyway, I love these little Kiriki kits. We have a bunch in stock. Super cute little patterns. They're a great little item to, you know, stick in a stocking, put under the tree, make yourself without your child. Anyway, and I think it might just be nap time. I was hoping this would be just early enough, but I don't think so. I think it's just nap time. So anyway, Ina and I, we're gonna go finish up, but I will see you all again on, let's see, Wednesday, when we do some more spinning. And I haven't touched my spinning wheel since the last time that we spun, so that ought to be all kinds of fun again. Anyway, don't forget, this is the last month for the year of self-care, so make sure that you are putting up your posts with hashtag BSFE and hashtag Black Sheep Fiber Emporium. We have a giant sale going on right now. You can check out the entire list at our website or in our newsletter, and then I'm posting a little something every day so that you know what is what's for sale. We just have all kinds of fun stuff for sale because we can. And then don't forget to go join our Black Sheep and Pearly Shell Blanket Along group on Facebook. And you can knit, crochet, tat, spin, weave, whatever you want to do. I'm working on a tatting thing to put up soon. I just have to do a little bit of pattern testing and decide exactly what I want to offer. But anyway, that's coming because, you know, why not? So yeah, there's all kinds of fun stuff. And I don't even remember what today might be 20% off something, and I don't know. There's just a whole bunch of discounts. So go check the Facebook page, the Instagram channel. Don't forget that we talk and teach several times a week on our YouTube channel. And you can check out Tina's Advent, which is super fun, on the YouTube channel that's going on right now. So I'm going to go have a discussion with my child. So I'll see you guys all later. Bye.